He's like for help. I use my scissors, my own scissors. I have. You wonder where I get this? It's just from here.
I think you need to transfer kuan sa imong playground.
No. No, Daddy.
Huh?
No, Daddy.
Why?
No, please. But I want here.
Higdaan mo guni good.
But you have aircon.
Pwede ka mag-aircon sa kawas, be.
I don't even know how it's so strong. I think we need something. I don't even know why it's strong. You might see this as night, guys. Like I said, I'll unbox this. I think it's easy. It's not easy at all, so I'll keep going. I think we should open this with 3 bucks. Wait, 3 bucks somewhere? 3 bucks. 3 bucks. 3 plus. Unya.
Sige, bunta dra, baka mamakaw.
Unya sa. Hindi ko parang ko.
Sige.
I guess I will tongue you soon, girl. So let me. OMG, I didn't even know you could do that. Actually. So I have to. I don't think it's just easy to grab it because it's just safe. I have to spin it around so it'll be easy to grab it. Easy peasy. Oh. Okay. There's a cupcake. This is a coffee shop. OMG. Oh no, the cupcake. We can just do that so I think I cannot grab it. Oh, look at the cupcake. Oh, sticky. Yeah, sticky. It's too sticky, so we're going to mix up. But it's like a food. I'll put this food here and right there. Put this right here. Wait, you can just put this up here. I think I have to grab all the Wish. I think I have to put something here. So, wait, I have a copy. That's I guess that's great. Copy here because she said kana sa klase kay dili siya mangi. Kasi na klase kay maani daw siya.
Who?
A princess. So there's like copies here, so I'm gonna put things right. We have to put it right over here. So I don't get how to put it. So the T T T. Oh no. Oh my gosh. T T T. There's white copies. Wait. It's a sign shop. It's a copy shop. It's a copy store. This is a copy store, so I'm gonna